Hello, I'm Ari Cortez, a senior at Mountain View High School, and today I want to talk to you about your opportunity to help Evergreen Public Schools put students first. Evergreen Public Schools is putting a replacement levy on the April 26, 2022 ballot to help preserve and maintain critical and necessary programs to assist, enrich, and provide educational opportunities for all students. Money from this replacement levy will help preserve our fee-free athletic programs, including the recent addition of soccer programs at all of our middle schools. Students at Covington and Y East Middle School were overjoyed to learn they'd have a chance to compete and make new friends.
I was happy about it, and I was just excited and pumped up.
It's pretty cool because we get to play against other schools in another sport.
Yeah, I just thought it was like a nice change because like everybody mostly focused on football and basketball and never really cared about soccer really. So I just thought it'd be a nice way to have more people enjoy each other, get to know each other.
Other students say this new program is giving them new skills and an activity that strengthens their connection to school.
If you're interested in joining middle school soccer, you should do it because you may never know what the outcome might be. You know, you may say, "Oh, I'm not that good," but when you learn from friends, coaches, you're gonna get better eventually.
I like just playing with friends. It's fun. It's just like I just feel like it's home. Like it's really good for me.
1, 2, 3, 4!
So, as you consider Evergreen's replacement levy, which will actually lower your local school tax rate, we ask you to consider our athletic programs and how they help put students first.
I definitely think kids benefit from it. It teaches them discipline, and a lot of kids haven't even played, so they're just coming out to learn a new sport. Shows them how to work with others, teamwork and responsibility.
Thank you so much for allowing us to have this opportunity. It's been monumental for the kids and myself just to see this beautiful game being played.
For more information on the replacement levy and the important student programs it will fund, please visit our website, evergreenps.org, and please remember to vote April 26th.